Hello everyone, this is Dalibor Nikolovski, the French founder of Eco Green Energy. So let's learn about our company. Eco Green Energy is a company that was founded in France in 2008. It is important for you to know that our capacity of production is today 2 gigawatts. And we have added, of course, the latest TOPCon production line, which helps us increase the capacity, the efficiency, the longevity of our panel, and of course, reduce the cost for you to have a more affordable product. Over the years, our business presence and expansion covers Europe, Africa, Asia, South America, and many more. We have been present in about 70 countries and regions all around the world and obtained more than 100 patents, which gain us a lot of recognition in many countries through many professional, EPC, distributors, retailers, and many more.
We have a very strict quality control. It starts with raw material. We select the best and we inspect for each order, so that we make sure that our customer gets a high quality product so that they can achieve a fast return on investment for their project.
Engineered to redefine the standard of efficiency, e.g. panels, and embody our commitment to pushing the boundaries of clean energy. We are using only top brands raw materials to ensure the highest European standards in each detail. Our solar panels withstand the highest environment conditions. We have the highest A level of fire resistance, dry and dusty environments. EG solar panels, together with EG Home solution, will be perfect parts of your house, garden, balcony, and for bigger projects. Discover all our series and options with optimized power and dimensions. Atlas N-Type TOPCon Monofacial. Atlas N-Type TOPCon Bifacial series with maximized bifaciality. Atlas TOPCon 100 watt full black is perfectly designed for residential rooftops. Atlas Perk series is also a good choice for your projects. Thanks to all our partner and distributor and client for choosing and believing in us for so many years. We would like to tell you and express to you our willingness to fight and always deliver the best product for you. And we'll make sure that the product we deliver will be always the best quality, the best efficiency, the best long life investment, because we want to build a greener place for tomorrow. Thank you very much.